Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on elementary school mathematics. No? Sa previous video, pinag-aralan natin kung paano ba mag-add ng two-digit numbers and we have discussed different methods of adding. So tutuloy natin yung ating discussion dito pero this time we are going to add three-digit numbers. So sabi natin yung pinaka-method na natutunan natin sa school is to add the digits. No? So for example, tinitreat natin yung bawat isang pair as just digits. Hindi natin kina-consider yung place values nila kasi magkakatapat naman. So for example, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So may mga books naman or may mga countries, for example, Netherlands, na pag nag-add sila, ay kino-consider nila yung value mismo, yung place value ng numbers. For example, 421 at saka 342. 1 plus 2 is 3. Tapos 2 plus 4. Ang 2 and 4 are actually 20 and 40, di ba? So, 20 plus 40 is just 60. So, different line siya nilalagay sa next line. And then 400 plus 300 is 700. So, 763. At ito mga partial sum siya, di ba, nung mga numbers. Well, another way is baliktad, unahin natin yung hundreds digit niya. So, 421 plus 342. So, mauna naman yung hundreds digit pag ganitong method. This is 400. Tapos 20, sorry, not 400 but 700. 400 plus 300, 700. And then 20 plus 40 is 60. And then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So that's 763. Okay? I think nakikita niyo yung connection dito sa 763. Makikita niyo na pwede natin iakyat itong mga digits na yan dito, di ba? Kasi wala naman silang katapat. Meaning, pag inad natin siya, those zeros here are just placeholders. So, pwede natin i-akyat to. Pwede natin i-akyat yung 62 para siya maging 763. That's the origin of this method. No? Okay, paano pag may magki-carry tayo? 318. Of course, dun sa natutunan natin sa school, 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1. This is 3, and then 3 plus 2 is 5. Meaning 533. Diba? Pag ginamit naman natin itong dalawang methods na to, we have 318 plus 215. By the way, this is addition. We have 5 plus 8 is 13. So, susulat lang natin, tayo mag-carry. And then 1 plus 1 means 10 plus 10, di ba? Kasi nasa 10s digit tayo. So, this is 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. And then 300 plus 200 is 500. Meaning we have 533, which is the same as the answer here. No? Okay, another one, we have another method. Unahin yung 100. 100s, 215. We have 300 plus 200 is 500. And then 10 plus 10 is 20. Tsaka 8 plus 5 is 13. Still, it's 533. Hindi naman nagbabago yung sagot. Same pa rin naman. And for our last example, we have 597 plus 765. So, using our method, we have 12, carry 1, 16, carry 1. This is 6 plus 7, 13. 1,362. Pero kung gagamitin natin itong pangatlong method natin, hindi na natin ito gagawin. Exercise nyo na yung pangalawa. We have 597 plus 765. 500 plus 700 is 1,200. Then 90 plus 60, ilan? 150. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 1,362. So 2, 6, 3, 1. 1,362. Okay, so yan yung mga different methods of adding and I guess Kung kayo ay nasa elementary school pa lang, kung kayo ay nanonood nito, of course, dapat kayo mag-practice, no, para mas lalo nyo ma-master yung pag-add, no. Okay, so maraming salamat. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating website, zip9.com, and sa ating YouTube channel na mag-subscribe kayo kasi marami pa tayong i-upload na video, no? And we have a lot of videos already. Almost 1,000 videos na. And we have our Facebook page at facebook.com/zip9page. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.